Batik is both an art and a craft which is becoming ever more popular and well known among contemporary artists all over the world. As a wonderfully creative medium, the art of decorating clothes using wax and dye has been practiced for centuries in many parts of the world, including China, Japan, India, South America, and Europe. In Java, an island in Indonesia, batik is a part of an ancient tradition, and some of the finest batik cloth in the world is still made there. The word batik originates from the Javanese word tik, which means to dot. Batik is both a verb to batik and a noun batik, an object made by batiking. Batik is usually made on fabric surface, such as cotton, silk, linen, rayon, or hem. But batik techniques can also be used on paper, wood, leather, and even a ceramic surface.
Thank you, Sinta. My name is Made Aridita Agustini. I will continue the presentation. To make a batik, select area of the design are blocked out by applying hot wax over them. A dye is applied on top and the part covered in wax resists the dye and remain the original color. A simple batik may be just one layer of wax and one dye, but this process of waxing and dyeing can be repeated many times if necessary to create more elaborate and colorful design. After the final dyeing, the wax is removed usually in hot water, and the cloth is ready for wearing or displaying.
My name is Niwayan Septiajani and you can call me Tia. And my ID number is 2112021071. Today, I will read the fourth paragraph of the article Culture of Batik. Contemporary batik, while owing much to the past, is markedly different from the more traditional and formal style of the past. The artist may be used a wide variety of techniques to apply the wax and the dyes: spraying, etching, discharging, creaking, and marbling, and use all sorts of different tools, copper and wooden stamp, brushes, stencil. She may also use wax receipts with different resin values: soya wax, beeswax, paraffin wax, and work with natural and synthetic dyes on all kinds of surface.
Batik is historically the most expressive and subtle of all the resist methods. The ever-widening range of technique available offers the artist the opportunity to explore a unique process in a flexible and a very exciting way. The process of batik brings unexpected elements of surprise and delight, which is why so many artists find it so fascinating and even addictive.
I'll tell you about the analysis of the article. The first is the text title, Culture of Batik. The meaning of the text. Culture is the characteristic and knowledge of a particular group of people, encompassing language, religion, cuisine, and social habit, music, and art. The Center of Advanced Research on Language Acquisition goes a step further, defining culture as shared pattern of behavior and interaction, cognitive construct, and understanding that are learned by socialization. It can be seen as the growth of group identity fostered by social patterns unique to the group. Culture encompasses religion, food, what we wear, how we wear it, oral language, marriage, music, what we believe is right or wrong, how we sit at the table, how we greet visitor, how we behave with loved one, and a million other things. The word batik is thought to be derived from the word ambatik, which translates mean a cloth with little dots. Topic tik mean little dot, drop, point, or to make dots. Batik may also originate from the Japanese word tritik, which describes a resist process of dyeing, where the patterns are reserved on the textile by tying and sewing areas prior to dyeing. Similar to tie-dye techniques, another Javanese phase for the mystical experience of making batik is mbatik manah, which means drawing a batik design on the heart. Thank you.
The main sentence in each paragraph. Paragraph 1. Batik is both an art and a craft, which is becoming ever more popular and well-known among contemporary artists all over the world, as a wonderfully creative medium. Paragraph 2. In Java, an island in Indonesia, batik is part of an ancient tradition and some of the finest batik cloth in the world is still made there. Paragraph 3. To make a batik, selected areas of the design are blocked out by applying hot wax over them. A dye is applied on top, and the parts covered in wax resize the dye and remain the original color. Paragraph 4. Contemporary batik, while owing much to the past, is markedly different from the more traditional and formal styles of the past. Paragraph 5. Batik is historically the most expressive and subtle of all the resist methods.
3. The reason for choosing the text. Batik clothing is now known as the typical clothing of the Indonesian nation. Batik is not only a work of art in the form of traditional cloth, but Indonesian batik contains historical value as well as very high artistic value. In addition, batik is a world cultural heritage. UNESCO, as the United Nations agency that manages education and science, on October 2009 has crowned batik as masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Interesting point: the origin of the word batik. The word batik is combination of the word amba and titik in Javanese. Amba means to write and titik is a dot. The term batik activity, namely nyungging, njaplak, ngelowong, nyeseni, nyolet, mopok, ngelir, ngelorot, ngerentesi, nyumri, nyoja, and the last, ngelorot akhir. Batik technique. There are at least 3 techniques in making batik. The techniques are stamp technique, writing technique, and painting technique. Batik pattern. In each region, batik pattern are different. This difference occurs because the culture, art, and various things in each region are also different. Batik Festival. Solo and Pekalongan are cities that consistently hold batik themed events, starting from the Solo Batik Festival, the Chinese Batik Festival, and the Solo Batik Carnival. President Suharto was the one who introduced batik to the world for the first time. At the time, he wore batik when attending the United Nations conference. Benefit and advantages of the text is we come to understand about the variety of batik in the archipelago, adding our insight about the variety of Indonesian batik. We are proud and grateful because the batik culture is our archipelago has positive and useful values, and can also know the cultural values that are passed down to the nation generation. Be more creative, especially when creative work can provide social benefits, can help shape the character to be more responsible, can build skill for entrepreneurship. Okay, next material we continue with my friends. Thank you.
What things should be added or corrected in the text? There are several things that must be improved or added in the article about batik. In the first paragraph, Sol comes first explaining the meaning of batik. After that is the new explaining the popularity of batik, but does not explain that batik is a world culture heritage. And the second paragraph should be at the first paragraph because the second paragraph which explains about the meaning of batik. And the third paragraph is not explaining about how long the process of making the batik. And the fourth paragraph is also the same as the third paragraph because it's only explain the process and material used in the making contemporary batik. And the last paragraph is this explain about our feelings when touching or making batik.